Hi everyone, it's been a super long time since I've posted a video. What I want to show you today is how to undo a serger seam. How to undo the stitches after you have serged something. So I've serged these stitches with my brother Serger, and I'm going to show you how simple it can be to undo these stitches. Now if you don't use this method, you can still just use a seam ripper and rip through all of these stitches and then undo it that way, but then you have a lot of little bits of thread to pull out and remove before you can continue with your project. The way that I'm going to show you is going to eliminate the need for doing that. It's going to be super easy to undo the stitches. So I've got my seam ripper ready. I'm taking my scissors and I'm just cutting the threads right next to the fabric. In this case, it doesn't matter that I'm doing that because I don't want to keep that seam. I'm undoing these stitches. So I have cut that at both ends. And now all I need to do is undo the needle stitches, which are these straight stitches that you can see me undoing right now. This left needle stitch is in yellow. Happened to catch something there that I didn't need to catch. So once I have enough of this loosened, I can grab the end of it and pull it. And it will gather stitches, and I'll just ease those out, and I'll keep pulling until I can pull that thread right out. So now I have the right needle thread to pull out, which is this red or pink thread. So I'm going to try to isolate that and pull only on that red thread. And again, once I get enough of it loosened, I can start pulling on that thread. The second one is usually easier to get out. And once I've done that, all I need to do is just pull on the looper threads and they'll come completely right out of there. And you've got all of your threads removed and you have no leftover pieces of thread that you need to pick at to get rid of. Thanks so much for watching.